Good afternoon, everyone. I hope that this day finds you well, that you've been able to breathe, be present, reset, rewire. The birds are out today. The sun is out. The wind is blowing. So I came outside for a brief stretch. I know that you've been in the house, so let's do a quick stretching and breathing exercise. Find a space where you can be at peace. Close your eyes if it's available to you. Lower them if you prefer that. Let's get started. Take a breath going up. Move your arms up as you breathe up. Blow it out, coming back down. Breathe up again. Blow it out, coming down. Breathe in, going up. Blow it out, coming down. Take an arm of your choice. Lift up as you breathe. Stretch. Blow it out. Breathe. Out. Breathe in again. That feels good to stretch. Blow it out. Another big breath in. And blow it out. Lift your heels, and as you lift your heels, breathe in. Bring your arms up. And bring them down. Blow it out. Take time for that stretch. Breathe in and blow it out. One more time. Breathe in and blow it out. Lift your arms. Drop your elbow. That stretch. Switch arms. Be mindful of your breath. Make sure you're breathing all the way. All the way one last time. Take a deep breath in. Go down and touch your toes. If that's not available to you, just go to your knees. Come back up. Breathe it in. Do that again. Go down, touch your toes. Touch the ground, touch your knees, whatever you need. And come back up. And one last stretch, gentle stretch. Move your head over to the side. And breathe to the other side. Do that stretch again. And back to the other side. Okay? Hope that you are able to enjoy those exercises for today. If you need to go back and rewind, please do. Rewind, reset, breathe, be present, breathe, be present. And until the next time, enjoy the rest of your day. Enjoy your families.